Got an old HDFC credit card? Here's a quick 2025 guide to activate it online safely and securely. Open your browser and search My HDFC card. Click on the official HDFC website to ensure you are on a legitimate platform. Be patient as the page loads for smooth navigation. Enter the mobile number linked to your card to begin registration. Check if your card is already added. If not, manually input the last four digits. You will be prompted to create a new four-digit PIN, enter and confirm it. This secures your transactions and prevents unauthorized use. Input your card's expiry date and CVV. Verify the information carefully before submitting. Enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number to finalize activation. Once confirmed, you will see a success message. Your HDFC credit card is now activated and ready for use. And that's it. Your old HDFC credit card is active and secure, ready for all transactions in 2025.